If you're looking for something that will bloom in the landscape during wintertime, look for Ligularia. This is coming into its bloom right now in winter here in December in Louisiana. What's great about these plants is that they bloom well in shaded areas. Another thing that's so great about them is it's an herbaceous evergreen perennial. So that means that it's going to keep color year round. It's going to give us winter flowers, and these large coarse leaves add a different texture to the landscape. It's often called tractor seat plant because of those large leaves. There are many different types of cultivars. There are some that have ruffled leaves, smaller leaves, but they are typically grown for these glossy, large leaves. This has also been known as the leopard plant for some of those variegated cultivars. Now, these do have these beautiful daisy-like blooms that grow on long stems that would be great for cut flowers, and of course, our pollinators just love it. I've seen all sorts of different species of pollinators on these plants. Now, another thing that's great about these, other than they bloom in the wintertime, and they are evergreen and keep this foliage year round, is that they're very easy care. They don't require trimming. You can divide them if you find that they've lost their vigor or lost the amount of flowers that they're producing. They don't require a whole lot of fertilizer. If you want to fertilize once a year, go for it with a slow release fertilizer. But these don't require a whole lot of care. They don't have a lot of disease pressure or insects, and they do well in shaded areas. So look for different cultivars of Ligularia, also known as tractor seat plant. They're wonderful addition to the landscape, and they're beautiful in the wintertime. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.